At Aalberts, success isn't just built on machines and materials. It's built on people. People like Belk, who prove that perseverance, passion, and purpose can shape more than just products. They shape the future.
I've never been the person to stop when I get somewhere. I always feel like there's more I can do.
Amber's journey through manufacturing has taken her across roles and departments, from production to backflow, from safety to planning. Now, she's stepping into a new role as the company's training coordinator.
I'm very excited to work with these guys and bring new strategies to the team.
Amber is a first-generation college graduate, a mother, and a woman rewriting what resilience looks like in this industry.
I've always been driven to finish my degree. Even with having a son, I wanted him to see that even in difficult times, you can still make it happen.
Amber's passion now lies in helping others grow.
I love working with people, sharing things, getting them to learn about new things in the company or with a job. So I think that would really go well with the new position that I'm moving to.
She's also changing perceptions about what a career in manufacturing looks like for women.
When I started here, I thought it was going to be a struggle because, you only see the guys in the management positions and things like that. But actually working here, I feel like it's very inviting for women to be in these positions just like the men are.
Amber's story reminds us that strength isn't just about what you do, it's about how you do it.
I'm not always looking to be the best because I know there are things that can always be learned, but excellence is top tier, and that's where I would want to be.
Amber's advice to anyone considering a career in manufacturing?
So don't ever limit yourself, stay true to yourself, and always go for your goals.
Amber Belk is more than a trailblazer. She's proof that the next generation of manufacturing is already here, and it's fearless.
Never give up, keep trying. You have the skills and ability to be where you want to be, so just keep going and you'll get there.